Okay, continuing on with our anthropometric measurements, we're doing kilograms to grams and grams to kilograms. So the easiest way to do this, you can go from multiplying 1,000 to go from kilograms to grams, but I think it's just easier to move the decimal point over 3 places. So here we have 2.5 kilograms. If I move that decimal place, I go 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's how I get 2,500 grams. The same thing with 5.0 kilograms. If I move this decimal place over 3, so 1, 2, 3, I get 5,000 grams. So let's try 8.5 kilograms. Okay, and where did I get this from? 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. And that's just a conversion that you're going to have to know. So if I move this over 1, 2, 3, what is that going to give me? I'll tell you. 8,500 grams. Okay, 3 places over 3.5 kilograms gives us 3,500 grams. There we go. 3,500 grams. So to go the other way, I'm going to move that decimal place 3 places over towards the left. So taking 3,500 grams, I go 1, 2, 3, and that gives me 3.5 kilograms. Okay. So you try 2,500 grams and tell me what you get in kilograms. Again, we're going to move that decimal place. 1, 2, 3. And how many kilograms does that give us? 2.5 kilograms. Did you guys get that? Again, this is all on your conversion sheet. I'm just kind of showing you a little bit on how to do this. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.